Let's create this tool wall. These are the material you're going to need. It's tulle and some scissors and a backdrop. I have a metal grid backdrop, but to actually tie the tulle on, you're going to need like some form of netting. So garden netting or deer netting you can find at your local Home Depot or Lowe's, or just order off Amazon if you don't feel like going out. So this technique here, I'm just showing you how I knot the tulle. Each piece of tulle is about 7 to 9 inches. So I just attach the tulle onto the backdrop and do a loop and tighten a loop to make sure it's secure. I do about 3 to 5 knots on each bar with this backdrop, but if you're using the netting, it would be about 2 to 3 per line of the square, if that makes any sense what I'm saying. The more you add, the fuller and thicker and heavier it's going to be. Tulle is a very light material as well, so it's easy to see through. Just keep that in mind. So if you want it to be thick, just add more tulle. If you want to be thinner, don't add as much tulle. And so I'm just showing you here the knots and the overview of everything. I use 5 different colors: lavender, pink, purple, red, and hot pink, and light pink. I was going to add orange, but it was already too many colors. And then this is the final result of everything. If I can make any recommendations, I would just stick to one color because I probably won't do this again. But these are some other tulle walls I've done that are solid colors, and I tried different techniques. And the green and the brown one, I stretched the tulle and then tied it. Let's give you that fluffy effect. And then this is the original one where I did the hot pink and I didn't stretch it at all. Thanks. Bye.